Hi, my name is Jessica Martin, and today I'm going to be going over my sheep brain dissection. Here is a little note to keep me on track with all of the terms that I need to go over. So I'm just going to put gloves on real quick here. Okay, and so here is my brain. I cut it in two pieces so we can see everything, but this is what it would look like put together. So taking a look at this outer portion, this is all the cerebral cortex, this outer portion that we can see here. So this is separated into lobes. We have the frontal lobe, the parietal lobe up top, the temporal lobe on the side, and the occipital lobe on the back. Separating these two lobes here is the longitudinal fissure, and on the side here we also have a lateral fissure running along the side of the brain. And then when we're looking at the cerebral cortex, we also see that there are these ridges or pockets that are pointing outwards. Those are called, each one is called a gyrus, gyri is plural, and then where we have the invaginations going into the brain, that is called a sulcus, or sulci for plural. So let's go ahead and take a look at the inside of the brain. So when we're looking at this here, it's kind of hard to see all of the features super distinctly, but this big arching structure here, kind of right below the cerebral cortex, is what we call the corpus callosum. Up anteriorly, beneath the corpus callosum, is the hypothalamus. And a little bit further back, we have the thalamus. As we head down here, we have this area called the midbrain. And then right here is the medulla oblongata. And across from the medulla oblongata, we have this big structure called the cerebellum. So inside the cerebellum, there is this branching white structure. It's called the arbor vitae, but the white part that makes up the arbor vitae is also called the white matter. So finally, when I got my brain, it was covered kind of like this by this structure here, more fully covered than this, but this cutaway portion is called a meninge, or it's part of the meninges, which is a layer that surrounds the brain and protects it while it's in the skull. So I believe that is, I'm going to do a quick run through, make sure that's everything. That does look like it is everything. So that was my brain dissection. Thank you.